Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Astro LS. This three-door van has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 336,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, and has no rust. It has never been smoked in, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include keyless entry, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, and power windows. Your ship has come in. See what you've been missing.